of talk going around that we've got some disharmony here. Any of you guys want to tell me what the problem is? Well, come on, speak to me, brothers.
All right, I'll tell you. I don't mind the dark. I don't mind the bugs. I don't mind wandering around in some cold, wet, damp tunnel for a week at a time. I don't mind anything. But I mind Golic.
That the way you feel about it?
Yeah. The guy's crazy and he smells bad. I ain't going out with him anymore.
You got anything to say for yourself? Well, he's going with you. Golic is just another poor, miserable, suffering son of a bitch, just like you and me.
Except he smells worse.
And he's crazy.
Knock off the shit! You got a job to do. I don't want to